Are you still using PuTTY and SSH commands to log into your server, and sharing or editing files is pain in the ass for you? Then you came to the right place. Welcome to Creative JE. In this video we are going to see how we can easily access our SSH server through VS Code and share files and folders between our computers and server easily. Shivam is here, so you don't need to go anywhere. Let's get started. For this, you will need your server address and private key or password, which I assume you all have. And this works on all the operating system, whether you have Windows 10 or Mac or Linux. Now open VS Code and go to Extensions tab. Search for SSH and install this remote SSH extension. After installing, you will see this computer icon, so just hit that guy. Now make sure you are on SSH targets, then click on the plus icon. Enter the SSH command which you use for connecting your SSH. I will just use my IP address and username. In AWS, it's the same name of your operating system. Hit enter now. Select the first location. This is the location where configuration file will be saved so that you don't type it again and again. And now you can see that we have the server name here. So just click on this new window icon. It will open SSH in a new window. You may need to type your password also. Now hit the continue button. Now it's connected, you can see it in the bottom taskbar. If I open the terminal by pressing Ctrl plus tilde, which is below your escape key or ESC key, then you can see it's opening in my server. If you want to change your configuration, then click on this setting button and select your location. As here you can see that I have multiple servers. You can add as many as you want. In the host, instead of IP, you can type any name which you want and then save the file. You can see the name has been changed. If you have a private key file, you can specify it in the identity file like this. And in Windows, make sure you type the full path and specify the private key and not the public key. Now you can connect to this server easily, so this time open it in the same window. Windows are not cheap, so don't waste. Now go to the Files tab and click on Open Folder. From here you can select any particular folder which will be opened by VS Code. You can see all the files and folders here visually, which is awesome. And you can directly open your code and start coding. Like you would do in your local computer, and you will get these options on right click. If you want to upload anything, then you can just do it by dragging from the Finder. And now you can see my monkey has been uploaded. Okay, you don't like my monkey? I will remove him, otherwise he will eat your banana too. And if you want to upload your folders, then you can do that too by dragging. If you can't do something with GUI, then your best friend terminal is always there. Just need to command him and he will obey. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and also my best friends like and subscribe are below. So please consider giving them command and I promise they will obey. What else? I know you guys are not going to support me on Patreon, so I will just say thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.